If you want to stop someone from changing the passcode of your iPhone, even if they know the passcode to unlock your iPhone, then what you do is go to settings here, go to screen time, select this option turn on screen time. Select this option turn on screen time again and select this option, this is my iPhone. After that, what you do, select this option use screen time passcode and enter any passcode. Re-enter again. This passcode is different than the one that you use to unlock your iPhone. Now you can enter your Apple ID here, which you can use to reset the passcode for screen time in case you forget it. For me, I will not forget, so I will select this option cancel here and then skip. So once you have set the passcode for screen time, what you do is go to this option content and privacy restrictions. Enable this option content and privacy restrictions. Enter the screen time password which you have just set. Now what you do, scroll down and there is an option passcode changes. Tap on it and select don't allow. So once you do it, close this one. After that, what you do is go to this option settings, and here if you scroll down, the option to change the Face ID and passcode, it will be missing. It will be hidden from here. If I scroll down, there is no Face ID and passcode change option, and without that one, no one will be able to change the passcode of your iPhone even if they know it. The option will be below this Siri and search.